Hi, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan and I'm chasing my dream of becoming a profitable day trader. It's only one thing, man. It's really hard. But I'm working hard. I'm at this thing every day, man, making constant improvements, and it's going well, man. It's going well. And we're building an awesome community in the process, man. So love to have you be a part of it. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Everything's free for the community. Let's get to it, man. What's up, man? We got Signature in the building. Good morning, Leon, Chris. What's going on, y'all? Always super nice seeing you guys pop in. We are on a 5-day red streak, and it's crazy when it gets like this, because it's like, dang, bro, I don't know if I had one green trade the last 5 days. I made my first trade in March or February 2020. And what's up, Santa? 3 Pony. And I took like all of 2023 off. And 2024 I came in and was like, nah, man, I gotta have it. I want this. I don't want to go back to the rat race. Well, I'm in the rat race, but I don't want to. I'm not content with that. So came back, man, and I've been at it really strong since last year, and it's definitely been the most productive year of my journey. So I decided to add Nvidia as my third. I got SMCI, Nvidia, and then SYTA. Little small cap action. I just want to watch. I just want to see how my 5-minute thing will work on these small caps, because so often I look back at the price action on those small caps, and I mean, on the 5, they'd be kind of clean, man. So I think, though, what I want to see, like, my criteria has really gotten more clear to me. Like, I feel like I always felt like I knew what I wanted to be trading, but like all the criteria around it, it was still too vague. You know, like it wasn't explicitly clear. You know, it just wasn't as well defined as it needed to be. And I think I'm getting closer to that. And it's making it a lot easier to be patient. Yeah, I'm feeling that, Leon. You know, I'm like, there's not really a reason that I should be scared of small caps. The thing about small caps, though, man, that's what's up, Chris. The thing about the small caps that makes me hesitant to trade them is just the other stuff, like the stuff you gotta know about. You know, the dilution and the different short setups that are commonly traded. And I don't really know nothing about any of that stuff. So, like, very surface level. So, man, SYTA went straight to the bottom. Nvidia straight down. SMCI straight down. I put the SPY back up on my screen. It's behind my chair, though, so you guys can't see it, but yeah, man, been at it since August 2020, huh? where you at? Like you profitable month over month, or you still trying to find that groove? Hey, that I like that, Leon. You ain't got to know all that, huh? Right on. That's how I feel though. Like most of the time when I had a bad time on small caps, it wasn't because the small cap did some weird small cap stuff. It was usually because I just wasn't trading my strategy. And I was doing other things that I thought would work, but it wasn't my strategy. Yeah, that makes sense, bro. That makes sense. All right, first 5 minute closed. All three of my watches closed red. Hmm. EMVB. Whoa. Whoa. Little daily gap up there. That thing went 320 to 393. Wow. Back open in a minute, 40 seconds. Ain't nothing else to watch. Man, 3 million shares. Yeah. SMCI is doing a ton of volume, but it's not going anywhere. Got a higher low on one. Oh, is Disney finally gonna break out? This is the level I've been waiting for on Disney. I will swap Disney. It's already moved up a lot though. What was that other one? ENVB. Roku only got 98,000 shares traded. No way. I'm taking Roku off. Okay, ENVB is open. that's a wide candle though. $370, man. Yeah, it's looking sketch. I'd have, just be ready to let that thing play out, another 15, 20 minutes. It might show something. Dang, boy, this one's dead forever. A second halt. Wave Rider, what's up, bro? Just poking around a little bit, Q. Yeah. With the grandbabies, Wave Rider. Yeah, I bet, bro. Kids are a lot, man. It's nice that you could just send them back to their mom, to their parents. I can't send mine anywhere. I'm liking this Nvidia situation going on here, man. Like that looked like a go. But I'm gonna wait and see if this 5 minute high gets broken. I just like how it's holding over yesterday's high. But it's still beneath the opening range, and I don't like that. 2, 5, and 9. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Each one of them come with their own their own difficulties. That's funny. ENVB. See, it's looking kind of viable now. It's looking real viable. Get off small caps. And do what? It needs a good dip though. It need a good dip down to like 375. Uh-oh, SYTA over here. Bruh, it's about to be a no nothing day. Another one. All right, Q. That's cool. Hmm. Damn, this is really nice. It is. Not over yesterday's high yet.
Build. Order filled.
Bro, I want to take this too. Slow down. Yeah, I almost got in there with you right here, man. I wish I would have, but we'll see. Dang, bro.
Order filled.
Well,
Order filled.
No, I couldn't wait 2 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. Yeah. You got some SMP? Man, I like this SMCI reversal. It's so clear. See, I don't like not taking this. Hello? Hello? Yeah, I was very sad I did not get on OKLO. I wanted to, bro. I literally was about to get this and then I missed it. And I went and FOMO'd over here on Nvidia again instead. Job perfect. Yeah, this sucks. I'm about to be max lost already. One swoop of nothingness. All I had to do was wait for the trigger. And then I would be chilling or wait for the opening range like I said I was. I feel like the R like road. I feel like it's perfect.
Order filled.
It's such a trip. I have rules to keep me out of these trades, and I'm not listening to them. I'm trading them anyway. This is a really good reversal on SMCI. I should have just took that bad boy a long time ago. I would have stopped out though.
Order filled.
Literally downtrending on the one. I know it looked crazy on the one, but it just, well, I'm not trying to sell it high a day from this position. High a day was like reversal off lower day type stuff. Yeah, I mean, this is the initial entry risk is wide for sure, but the hope is that I'll find a nice place to add and then I can tighten up my stop. I don't let a wide entry keep me from necessarily entering if it's a good setup. Yeah, I need some help, Leon. Man, SMCI was such a good reversal off the lows. Well, most of the time I'm getting smoked from process, if I'm being honest. But I do want more in my playbook, but I'm still not trading the one thing in my playbook properly. So it just seems kind of silly to keep adding more and just adding more variables into my process. Man, I want to take SMCI over the highs right here, man. Low right there. Boop. Just had to wait for it. Now it's kind of extended though.
Order filled.
It's just that I'm not coming in and I'm not trading my strategy flawlessly every day. If I was trading my strategy flawlessly every day and I had a 5 day red streak or a 2 week red streak, then it'd be like, all right, clearly this is not working. But it's not there yet. So it's hard for me to change anything yet. Yeah, I'm definitely realizing that because it's been a long time since I felt like I figured out, how to how I wanted to get like how I felt like I would be able to get money from the market, like when I felt like I had a strategy that was, decent, but like I've been trying to get myself to trade it for a long time. Yeah. Yeah. It's getting there. Like even today, like I got this green line, this yellow area, and the red line. So the idea, the visual signals I'm trying to send myself is to the ideal trades are gonna happen above the opening range, and I don't want to take any range beneath any trades beneath the opening range. And then this is like a cautionary area. So I took this. I mean, I took this trade because I mean, we got the high down here and then we made a new low after that. But then we got the higher low and we're holding above yesterday's high and pre-market high. So I thought that was a pretty good, pass to trade into the caution area. And if I would have kept my stop below the low, I wouldn't have gotten stopped out here. And I've been trying to slow down with my ads and actually use the 5 to add, but I didn't think about that right here. I was just trying to size up before we got up out of there. But and then we do get the higher high slightly and then another higher low here, still looking really good to hold above yesterday's high. So I got in again over the break of this. This I was waiting for that here, but instead of waiting for the 5 minute trigger, I stupidly got in on the one. Old habits die very hard. Very hard. Man, definitely hoping it had a little more gas before pulling back so soon. Just spent this whole day inside the 5 minute opening range, and here I am trading it. ATCH. Wow, look how clean that is on the 5. I saw me feeling like I could trade these joints on the 5. I don't know. I can't even trade the large caps on the 5. Why did I pick this stock today? Just in the range, bro. All these pretty graphics I put on the chart and just completely ignoring it. And look at SMCI over here, just giving me exactly what I want on the 5, bro. Over the opening range, nice test, hammer. And I'm over here about to max out, about to max loss. Total poo shiesty, bro. I just want to get out. Just let me out, man. Oh man. Yeah. You know it's gonna be exciting when they say no disrespect. uh, Nizzy the Great. What's up, man? At what point is it the setup that doesn't work? It could be better, but it could be worse too, Nizzy. um, like what time frame? I don't know. It would have to be sometime after I actually started trading the setup. So whenever that time starts, then we can have a look at that. Yeah, I heard him say that, man. But I'm stuck over here in Longland, man. Um, yeah, this ain't it. You trade options?
Order filled.
It's time to go. I can't handle GC today. Uh, I'm leaving. Yeah, I don't feel like arguing about how. Yeah, I don't feel like any of it. Yeah, I don't feel like any of it. I'm not happy right now, and just can't blame anybody but myself. And look at SMCI. This is literally what I want to happen. This is why I have all of this here, trying to box myself in, and yeah, I unblocked you, but you came back on a really bad day. Ah, yeah, I put NVIDIA on there at the last moment, but it's just so simple, man. I try to make it so simple for myself, but it's still really hard. I still have like these like gray areas in my mind that like on Nvidia, what I want to see is what's happening right here on SMCI. I want to see, I'm waiting for the 5 minute range to get established, and then I want to see it trade over and close, and then I want to see it pull back, and then I wait for the break back above. So like after this candle, I will be waiting for the next 5 minute candle to make a new high. And so all of my trading would be outside of the opening range. But then I was like, well, what if you get a higher low on the 5 and it just happens to be still inside the range? And so I'm looking at this like, okay, yeah, it got slapped up on the first 5 minute candle, which is not a good sign at all. But then we came down here and that was nice. And now we're above yesterday's high and pre market high. And then we get a higher low. So I buy it. But again, I want to trade above the 5 minute opening range. And so I just couldn't wait. I couldn't wait. It already been 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes of sitting and looking and waiting. And I was like, well, this is the best thing I got. So let's just buy this. And then when it breaks above the opening range and does the setup, we'll just add. And of course, it does not exit the 5 minute opening range and comes back down, stops me out, and then a higher low. But this is like third candle down. It's like longer. It's a longer leg than the up leg. So, but the hammer was just, it got bought up so much and all of that. Still above yesterday's high. So let's buy it again. Still underneath the opening range. And let's add, and then got stopped out again. So, yeah. Um, well, GC, the month was actually, I was having a great month, man. I was having a really good month, and I was up. like I think I was up like 10R right here on this day, on the month. I was literally having the best month since I started streaming. Since last year, this was literally my best month. And it actually still is my best month. Um, I think my best month was 30 negative $35. But that was with a dollar risk, so that was actually kind of bad. And this is with $3 risk, so um, it's actually really really good. I mean, it's better, you know. It's not where I want to be, but last month I lost 100, and something happened with my December. My journal's off some kind of way. I was deleting and adding trades, trying to see what my stats would look like without a couple of my crash out days, and now my whole thing is out of sync, and it's pretty stressful because if I delete it all and resync, then I lose all of my tags, which I mean it's not that many, but what happened on the 13th? Yeah, the 13th was cool. Let's this was I think this is actually like my best trade ever, I think. Yeah, this one goes up on the poster card. $3 risk, made $35 on it. Well, $3 risk with each ad. Um, I might have had like $6 risk after this uh second ad, but by the third ad I'm moving my stop up to here, so probably back down to 1R risk. But yeah, so that was a really awesome day. My biggest losing day. Uh just these 2 days. And after this day, I dropped my max loss down to 3R because it was at 5R because I was just like leaving myself this extra wiggle room. So I dropped that down. So now my worst days are gonna be pretty much $10. And yeah, so the 12th was my worst day. Sure. CVS. I think this was earnings. Big old gap up on the daily. I don't know what that was on the 5. Yeah, I don't know what this was. This doesn't look very attractive at all. The move was pretty much already made. And hmm. Well, I no, I don't trade earnings, and I didn't really realize that that was a thing. Like I was just casually trading them because they gapped up. I wasn't like actually I didn't have an earnings strategy, so I've actually stopped trading earnings because that's not my approach. So yeah, I just basically this was probably some FOMO. I don't know. The move was clearly made, and I don't even think there was anything left in the ATR for me to take that trade. So yeah, it looks like I just kept trying on CVS right in the same spot. SMCI. Definitely was not using the 5 minute trigger. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I ideally I want to stay in the mid to large cap arena. Look at this, bro. Finally broke. Both of these times I stopped myself out adding on the one. But anyway. Is that what the ticket is, Paul? I just honestly, guys, I really don't think it's the instrument or the cap. I mean, maybe I mean, I'm not saying that stuff is completely irrelevant. I just don't think it's the main factor. You should buy a max buying power on Nvidia. What, right now? Trying to sabotage me now. You just let's get this guy out of here. Let's put him out of his misery and blow up his account. It's I can't believe I'm about to miss this move, bro. Like literally. At least don't add until you get out of the range. Like, okay, if I'm gonna buy in the range, just get your entry, put your stop, and then wait. Like buying inside the range. And I even said that my criteria for adding, I'm still I'm still building so much of this stuff at the same time. I was talking to my buddy the other day about how um starting with a strategy already built, like if you just buy a strategy or you start with SMB Capital and they're like, here's your job to trade this strategy, and then you just read the parameters and then you just trade the strategy. Yeah, I definitely added way too aggressively, Q. That's literally why I'm not in the trade right now. Um, it was actually a pretty good read on the price action. I kept buying the green, man. I needed to wait for the red. Uh, this is crazy. Look at this, man. That sucks. Getting stopped out on higher lows is the worst thing ever. But bro, like literally look though. I'm the one of the issues I'm having is migrating my thought processes completely to the 5 cuz I'm just so used to trading the 1 and making my decisions based on the 1. When I see stuff on the 1, it's like it's easy it's easy to overlook it. I'll pull it up. Yeah, that's beautiful, Q. That's beautiful, man. And that's how I see it happening in my head, bro, but I can't make myself be patient, man. Like this is the And see, bro, Q, this is like literally y'all be saying it don't work, but my strategy is just an uptrend. Like that's all my strategy is just an uptrend. So like to I just have to wait for it. This was my entry on OKLO. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely need that, bro. Cause just wandering around through the daily charts, I could use some pointers on that, Q, for real. Like I love how you find these opportunities. Yeah, I definitely need some help with that, bro. But it's still just it's literally you just gotta wait. I know, bro. Exactly, Leon. I see it work every day. So that's why I just don't be trying to hear y'all saying it don't work. I see it work and I see myself mess it up. Yeah, bro. I'm down with that, Nizzy. I'm hella down with that. We're supposed to be doing pre-market calls every day. I guess that's on me to establish that. I'm gonna try to start doing that every day in the court. At least get a little pre-market convo started. Yeah. Let's try it again, guys. Let's try what y'all think? 8 o'clock? 8 o'clock in the court. And then I'll go live 8:15 on YouTube. That's that's central time, y'all. Market time, 9 o'clock. All right. 9 o'clock. And we'll just, oh, for sure. The Discord link's in the description, Juice. Come on in. The water's fine. We'd love to have you, bro. All right. You down for that, Q? 9 a.m. market time tomorrow. We're gonna jump on the call in the Discord and we'll just talk what's popping. Share some ideas and market open is 9:30. So we'll just do like 15 minute call or so. And then I'll jump off at 9:15 and get ready for my live. Oh yeah, no doubt, bro. We all learning, man. Is that right, Daryl? Yo, that's what's up, Daryl. I appreciate that, man. Yeah, we all learning in here, bro. All right, bet. It's set up. What up, Jack? What you short today, man? Yeah, no doubt. All right, so now Nvidia is finally actually in play on my strategy. It's outside the opening range, but it's coming right back in. So, but if it like closed up above the range, it'd be a real nice break to take. But now we're past 10:30, so Yeah, I think OKLO I would have tried to get in right here. Which would have been like 35 to 36, so a dollar move ain't that much. Amazon, once it broke trend, taking it to VWAP. Nice. Hey, that's what's up, Juice. Yo, first trade ever up 10%. I feel like that's a I don't know if it's a blessing or a curse, but I feel like whenever I make a change or do something new and you get the positive reinforcement right off the back, I always feel like that's a good thing. GC, you're not so bad. uh, I'll just in my feelings that one day, bro. Yeah, bro. Look at this Nvidia right here, bro. This is literally what I was supposed to have been waiting on, and that would have kept me out of this whole situation. Today would have just been a no trade day, legitimately. If I stuck to the three things I had and I literally waited for the criteria, I would not have traded. And look, this is it. This is my setup right here, guys. Break over the opening range, come back and test it. And now, like, bruh, stop under there, buy the next 5 minute candle to make a high. Don't I have half a R left? Nah, bro. $10 is max loss, bro. I'm out. It's over with. I'm past. I'm past by half. But this is it. I'm about to sim trade it. What is this? We just trade Nvidia since we over here on Paperland. Thanks, Q. Appreciate it, Nizzy. Well, I keep the R's consistent over whatever period of time. So like a month, I would like at least for a month, I'll say like, okay, for this month, I'm risking $3 a trade, which is what I'm doing right now. So I set it. I literally set it in my platform. I have a hotkey that I use to enter my trades, and I come in here on my hotkey, enter with stop, and I change this number right here. This formula in this hotkey does some math to make sure that my share size will keep my risk at $3. And so every trade I take for the whole month, every entry will have $3 risk. And that way I have a very consistent, my risk is consistent
across all trades. Every time I lose, generally, I lose the same amount. And I can gauge my winners against the risk. So, if I have a 3R winner or 5R, 5 times my risk winner, it's just a really nice system. I like it a lot. All right, here we go. Trigger for this is coming up. So there we go. I'm in there. We're in NVIDIA. Stop under the low. I'll just drag this line right there. That's my stop. Now, the strategy's meant to be traded for the first hour, so I don't know that will get some follow through. But I mean, what happens in this one trade is completely unpredictable. So it doesn't. The outcome of this trade doesn't mean that the strategy is good or bad, because this is a game of probabilities, and it's about over 100 trades. What's the percentage? What's the accuracy of the strategy? So this is just to illustrate that this is what I was supposed to have been waiting for on NVIDIA, like literally. Like literally, this is, and if I could sit here and be patient and say, well, yeah, this is a higher low, but it's still inside the opening range, so I'm not going to trade it. Yep, that's a higher low. Nice hammer candle over yesterday's high, but it's still inside the range. I'm not going to trade it. Okay, look, we got another higher low, even higher than the last low over yesterday's high, but it's still inside the range. I'm not going to trade it. Oh, look, we got a break over the range. Red candle, hammer candle back into the range, bought back up, closed green. This is the entry. We buy the break of the next candle to make a new high, stop under the low, and that's it. Like, that's literally what I'm trying to get myself to do, and I can't. I just I can't do it sometimes. A lot of times. That's literally what I'm sitting here trying to do every day, is to just stop doing this and wait for that. But today they're not what? Oh, MULN was going to be the next Tesla. Yeah, sounds good. Is it too complicated? Bro, it's so simple. If it's not over the opening range, do nothing. Okay? So all of this time, do nothing. Do nothing. Right? When it breaks over the range, the only time your eyes should even open up and get wide is when it trades above the range. Like literally, I was watching SMCI, Nvidia, and this. Look, there's literally nothing for me to do this whole day on SMCI. There's nothing to even look at until 10:10. Nvidia, nothing to even look at. Like, for a quick second right here, it peaked up over the range, but there's nothing to look at until right here. Like, bruh, I could get my 5-year-old son to come in here and do this. It's super simple. What up, Dirk? I know, man. Like, look, literally, look, we're winning. uh, Crazy. What did I get in? What is this? 132.10. I guess I ain't went anywhere yet, but the best morning of the month? What? Tell us about it, Dirk. It's just like, when I'm sitting here and I'm sitting here in all three of the stocks that I'm watching, none of them are trading over the opening range. So now I'm like, I'm sitting here like, bro, what am I going to do? And I just start looking for other things that I could do. And I start, well, yeah, it's in the opening range, but look, it's a higher low and it's above yesterday. You know, I start coming up with all of these audibles and alternate plays to my strategy, and I start trading those. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Look at it, man. Look at this is the strategy, yo. This is literally what I'm supposed to be doing. Oh my god. Just imagine if I could do it. If I could do it, I would be down 0 R's right now and I would be up. Right now I would be up. I don't know, 1 R, maybe half an R. Be all hopeful and smiling. I mean, I'm still in a great mood, but it's still, bro. Ah. All right, Dirk. Let's see. Dirk. SYTA. 670 to 780. 1.1K pre-market. Dang, so you caught this side. Or you could have caught this too. Bruh, 4K on MULN. Oh my gosh. My man out here doing Ross numbers, bro. Baby Ross. 9.1K on the day. Oh my God. Yo, Dirk, man. My man. Oh my God. How, bro? 9.1K. Yo, Dirk over there living the dream, man. I'm telling you, bro. Yo. My man, I love it, bro. Super happy for you, man. 100%. Dang. Yo. My man Dirk said 100%, bro. Said, I can't touch a loser. Damn, bro. I'm telling you, man. Straight killer. I appreciate you gracing us with your presence, Dirk. uh, that's what the grind is for right there. Oh my God. Man. Well, one day I'm gonna be able to turn on this money GIF for me, man. But until then, man, I'm gonna just big y'all up and keep working through my struggle over here. What is going on here? What is so the thing is broken? How am I long 132.10 and my realized P&L is negative? The sim is broken. Let me reset this thing. This thing's retarded. I'm just so happy that it's freaking possible. Like, just seeing people make money. Like, we got Artie in the Discord who posts like 400% options gains like every day almost. And Q be killing it, man. And I just love seeing that it's possible, you know. And even for myself, like, to see this happen, it's it really sucks, but it's such a clear example. Like, bro, if you just can sit on your hands and wait, you may have to wait all day. You may have to wait till tomorrow. But if you just sit on your hands, bro, like, look, it happened. It literally happened. It literally, it did what I wanted it to do. I just had to be patient, man. And look, man, nice move up, bro. Oh man, it's all good, bro. We could do that, bro. We could plan a day and talk about some things on the live. I'm down with that. Shoot, man. Dirk, these are you doing shares, right, Dirk? Send me a email or something, Dirk, or jump in the Discord and send me a message. Let's wrap. We could definitely do like a Saturday morning or Sunday morning live, just going over concepts and charts and just having a good time without the stress of trading. Yeah. So R just means risk. And my uncle Jared over at Live Traders, not really my uncle, but I learned about my most of my foundations from him, and I learned about risk management. And one of the things that always made sense to me was having the risk be the same on each trade. So you're not like, okay, one trade I lost $20. On this trade I lost $100, and on this trade I lost $30, and it's just like random. And then you're like, okay, on the trade I lost $30, I had the potential to make 100, and on the trade that I lost $100, I only had the potential to make 50. And it just makes, like, you're not really efficient. Like, your percentage lost and gains are all over the place. You know what I mean? It's hard to keep track of your risk management, like, at all. All right, Signature, thanks for hanging out, bro. Always good to see you, man. Hit that like button for me, guys. Um, but with the R system, I have a set risk, so every single trade I take has the same risk attached to it. And so I'm always risking 1R to make hopefully 2 or 3 at minimum. But I really, like, I'm trying to be a 10R guy. But yeah, so my R is set in my platform for $3. So every time I hit the buy key, I'm putting $3 of risk on the table. So I'm down 3.49 R. I'm down $10. But the idea is that you keeping your risk consistent, and you're also keeping in mind what you're risking for consistent too. Like I'm not gonna risk 1 R for half an R. You know, I'm not gonna risk uh I'm not gonna risk it for 1 R more than likely. Like I'm trying to find situations where I can get tight risk for a big reward. And this is just a way of keeping that consistent. And when I have like things in place where I can earn more risk. So if I get a profitable month and it's a clean month, meaning I was actually sticking to my strategy and not breaking rules, not crashing out, meaning I can trust myself to sit and trade my strategy. I have a month of that and I'm green on the month, then I'm eligible to increase my risks to another level. So right now I'm risking $3. I'm very anxious to get up to 5. It sounds small, but um, risk is earned, and a lot of us lose so much money trying to make a lot of money when we really don't have the track record or the proof, the eligibility to be risking large amounts of money. Like you can figure out that what you're doing is not working losing $1 a trade. You don't have to lose $100 to figure out you need to make some tweaks and adjustments. So I got the training wheels on now. If you scroll back to the beginning of this channel, I was risking $25-$50 a trade, man. And I had some cool $300 days and $300, $200 trades and stuff like that. But I also had really big red days that were equal to and bigger than those numbers. Um, so yeah, that's amazing, bro. That's amazing. That's great. You did the dang thing today, bro. Let's see. Used to trade big boys 2022. Wow. Dang. Ah, man, Leon, did you? Really? Man, I don't sell them soon enough, man. I'm diamond hands and I'm trying to learn to sell more. I wish I could look at the NQ on this platform. Man, look how well this trade worked out, man. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, I know. And it's a trip. Just one simple thing of holding longer can dramatically change your RR. Like doing nothing can increase your your RR. Look at that, man. It's good to see, man. At least I got to see it. At least I got to see it. Yeah, that's true. I got the spy right here. It's behind my chair. Right there. Whoo, man, 90? That's a lot on the table there, bro. But hey, 20's 20. Spy follows NQ. Okay. What's up, HH? Yo. Dang, that's what's up, Juice. Yeah, I've tried to tweak my strategy in a way where I can get the base hits, but I can also stay in the trade for the big move. So it gets very stressful in the moment, but when it works, it's super awesome. Oh, really? Hmm. Dang, bro. Man, I would feel so good with 80% accuracy though. Like it sucks being wrong a lot. Like being wrong a lot, I don't it just it's really bad for the morale, man. 80% accuracy, bro. I would be like, it'd be cool with that. Like, bruh. Oh, now the money's good over here. Look at this trade over here. What? Came over here, made some money, man. Came over here, made some money on my setup. Yeah, accuracy feels great. But I want both, Leon. I'm determined to get both. I don't care what anybody says. uh, Y'all can call me crazy until I make it happen. uh, yeah. Yeah, but one share, I can't trade like I want to trade with one share. SMCI over here. It don't look bad on the 15 at all. Boy, y'all came through to check that statement real quick, boy. I'm not expecting I'm not expecting 80% accuracy at all. Um, but I think 66 is reasonable. Yeah, my journal tracks it. I think most journals track it actually. Hmm. I get that, Dirk. I get that. Yeah. No, I agree, Nova. And my RR has always been good. I've always had a higher than 2 to 1 RR. Um, my accuracy just sucks. Yeah. Yeah, see, I think I can do 65, 65, 66. I'm gonna be 5 though. 5 to 10, somewhere in there. That's another one right here, dude. If my accuracy sucks, why not just take multiple positions at once? I don't see the positive in that. That sounds bad. Because that's not the essence of my strategy. The accuracy of my strategy isn't bad. My ability, my accuracy of taking trades that align with my strategy is bad. It's like if I had a wall of pictures and we had pictures of my setups and then we had other pictures and I was trying to throw darts. My dart would keep hitting the setup that's not mine. That's what my accuracy problem is. It's not the setup's accuracy, it's my ability to hit to hit my setup with my dart. And I keep hitting the wrong setup. Keep hitting the wrong setup. And so just getting a bigger handful of darts and just like chucking more darts, I'm just going to hit more setups that are not my setup. But like I get what you're saying. If I traded the setup perfectly and I just needed more more setups to trade so I can get to the winning percentages, that would make sense. Like if I had a 30% accuracy and 10R risk to reward, but I'm only taking like one trade a week and I keep, it takes me 7 trades to get to the winning one, then it's like, okay, bro, you need to trade more often so you can get to more of those winners. Yeah, but that's not the problem. I feel like it's kind of weird you guys don't see that. Leon sees it. It's like I'm just I'm that's your weed trade. Y'all blind? I guess so, man. What you talking about? MULN? Mm. Hmm. Yeah, this thing is lagging or something. Thing is hella lagging. That's a big pullback. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if you understand and expect them, they're not so bad. It's just I don't like them and yeah, that makes sense, HH, because this mug is weird. Yeah. It's the scariest time to buy, but also the most opportune, Trey. I get that. Don't get slaughtered, Dirt. I mean, you got so much cushion. Dirk, teach me. Juice said, "Take my money." Nah, hopefully we can get some weekend lessons out of Dirk, man. Infant green. Hey, it's looking good, Dirk. 462. All right, Leon. Appreciate you hanging out, man, and being a voice of understanding. We here, Leon. Have a great day, bro. I gotta get out of here too, y'all. I'm try to get to the gym. I don't know if I got time. Yeah, but it's very clear what I have to do and what I want to do. I just got to be patient, man. It's FOMO, and I keep being willing to override my strategy to not miss a trade, you know? I feel that too, Leon. I do, man. And it just sucks to feel like you're so close and then have like a week straight of a week straight of bad trades, man. Like dang, bro, I thought I had it, you know? And it's my strategy, I have it, and what I have is this strategy that I really think is great, and I just gotta trade it, man. Oh my god. Ah, I got it though. I got it. It's becoming more and more clear what I want to do, and it's also becoming more and more clear that not doing it is really messing things up, man. Really messing things up. 447 is the stop. I like that candle. Back over 67. Might be all right. There you go. Maybe. Yeah. You too, Jack. Yeah. But I guess just another coin in the jar of tuition to day trading university. And whoa, that's a nasty drop. Dirk. Oh my God. See, this is why I don't like small caps. That candle right there. Cause 20 cents is everything. Yeah, that sucks. You had a major cushion though. I know it sucks giving it back. No trade day. Yeah, it should have been one for me, man. It really should have been. It really should have been. Running out of coins. I'm telling you, bruh. I gotta get a second bucket for my tuition to start putting coins in. uh, but this is it. This is it right here. I'm not gonna trade inside of this anymore. I don't care if it's a higher low. I don't care if it's the sweetest double bottom. I want it over the range. And oh yeah, for sure, bro. I know that's what happens, Dirk. I'm game for the risk, man. And if it's a good trade, I'm the stop out don't hurt my feelings. I just hate getting stopped out when I shouldn't have been in there in the first place. That's exactly what it is. Oh, I need that sound effect, bro. I think I might have to add that one, HH. I like every time I get stopped out to have that coin sound. Oh man. Uh-oh, look at this it's about to get popping over here on Sita. Miss Sita. Here you go, Dirk. What you think? Gave back 150. Ah, man. Small thing them. uh, man. Had a great time with you guys today. I almost just ended the stream after stopping out Max Loss because I was just like really disappointed in myself, man. But and then GC came in and I was like, oh man. But GC was cool, man. GC was cool, and just I feel much better now, and uh, yeah, I know that too, Dirk. I've considered having the rule that it has to close below my stop and not just wick in order to get out, but that's too much. I'd rather just stop out and get back in. But yeah, man, it was good talking with you guys. It's really cool having you guys, and I feel like this is our pod. We got our people, man. Trey, Dirk, Paul, HH, Q, Leon, Juice, Kizzy. We got like our little pod going, man. And it's real cool to have y'all. Trading's lonely, man. So it's cool, man. Just gotta dial in, man. It's gonna be so cool, like a year from now, God willing, and we still hanging out. Of course, there's gonna be some fall off. The turnaround in this business is ridiculous, but uh, oh, for real. Yeah, see, it's definitely levels to this, man. And like Q, he's really been pulling my ear as far as these, not just a regular daily, just a daily, uptrending day, but to actually find things that have significant upside. So it's levels, man. But level one, really, I feel like I'm stuck on level one, like, because level one is like, okay, you got your platform together, you know how to trade, you got your money to start out with, and then you got a strategy. Like, all right, now you go out. And now like that's where I'm at, like now I have to trade the strategy and I can't. I'm still trying to get past that. But, I have been literally building a strategy from scratch at the same time. So trying to give myself a little pass for why it's taking so long. Open that trading window. Yeah, I get that. Oh yeah. Okay, that's what's up. What are those about? Just trading podcasts or just podcasts? Lifestyle. After dark sound kind of wild. Juice the Squeeze Pod and After Dark Discussions. That's what's up. Um, yeah, I'm considering it, Paul. We'll see. It's yeah, we'll see. But anyway, y'all, I'm out. Hit that like button for me if you could. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Yo, tomorrow, 8 o'clock in the Discord, we jumping on a call. All right. God willing. Let's do that. That's where Q talks about his exes. All his exes live in Texas like he George Strait. Hey, I'll check you out, Juice. I'll check you out for sure. All right, y'all. Be easy, man. Be safe out here. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.